my esteemed viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Actually, Hamster distribution has taken place, and actually the players have been cheated. All the loyal players, we have really been cheated. So our prayer now is that Hamster Kombert should list something with a value. They should list Hamster Kombert at like 0.2 or 0.7. If not, we'll hardly earn something from it. So today we'll be looking at how you can get like thousands of Hamster Kombert coin for free, right? Since we have not secured something much from the mining, we're going to look at how we can get those coin for free now. Okay, so before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do want to subscribe, like my videos, and share my videos. And if you are returning viewers and you are like yet to subscribe to this amazing channel, please do want to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos. Okay, so let's going to see how are we going to get this Hamster Kombert, thousands of Hamster Kombert for free. Let's see how we can claim thousands of Hamster Kombert for free. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need to do is that you will navigate yourself to Binance. So like right now we are on the Binance app. If you come to the Binance app, the next thing you're just gonna going to do is to navigate yourself to Binance launchpool. Okay, to Binance launchpool, which you go to click on this place to take you to open the menu for you. So actually this is the menu. You're going to go into click on more services. If you click on more services, you will scroll down carefully to look for the launch pool. This is the launch pool. So if you look for the launch pool, you're going to go into click on the launch pool, and this is where we are. And Hamster Kombert is running a campaign for itself here. And Hamster Kombert is offering you to stake and gain this Hamster Kombert for free. How are you going to do? You're going to go into stake in order to earn thousands of Hamster Kombert for free. So you can see this is the total of what Hamster has brought out to be distributed for the stakers. Okay, and the staking period is 3 days from now, as is shown on Hamster. You can see as it was shown here, you can see it's 3 days left to listing. Okay, 3 days left to what? To listing. So, and you can see, when is this starting? This is starting in the next 2 hours 17 minutes and some few seconds. So hurry up now and stake Hamster. All right, so what are the criteria for you for this Hamster staking? You're going to look for FDUSD. Right, what we are going to stake is FDUSD or BNB. You're going to stake FDUSD or you stake BNB, right? So if you want to stake FDUSD, you need to first secure FDUSD using your USDT. You first what? You first secure your FDUSDT using your USDT. On this occasion, you can either convert your USDT to FDUSD, which is this one, to FDUSD. If you convert your USDT to FDUSD, then you can stake. Or you convert your USDT to BNB, then you can stake. All right, so this only the two stuff you can use to stake Hamster: BNB and FDUSD. I advise you use FDUSD because FDUSD is a stable coin. All right, FDUSD is a stable coin. It's like USDT is a stable coin. It doesn't fluctuate anyhow. Okay, so after you have secured that, all you just need to do is to come to this place to click on this. You're gonna come to this place to click on lock. If you click on lock, your available balance is gonna going to show. It's showing me like this because I don't have available balance on it. Okay, so that's why it's asking me to either fund or buy USDT or transfer some percent of this FDUSD into this place. Okay, the moment you have some, all you just need to do is to click on lock. If you click on lock, and it will be locked until this days exhausted. All right, so as you can see, a lot of people are already into this. The total lock currently now is 995 million. That is over 995 million FDUSDT have been locked, right? And the participants here currently, the participants here currently are over 87,000. Wow, a lot of people are really doing this. Okay, a lot of people are really doing this, right? So, and if it is the BNB you want to stake, you just come to this place and click on lock after you have secured your BNB. The total participant is also over 87,000, and the total the total locked the total locked is over 1 million. Wow, over 1 million. That is, a lot of people are sticking with what? With FDUSD. Because of what? Because FDUSD is a stable coin. All right. So that is it. Let's see how you can get these coins. You can either get these coins, as I said earlier, by converting your USDT to FDUSD or BNB, or by trading it. You can either buy it by through trading. So let's see how you can get this coin. All right. Let's see how you can get this coin. So getting this coin, this is what you just simply need to do is to come to trade. If you come to trade, you're going to go into trade your USDT against FDUSD. You're going to go into trade it against what? Against FDUSD, right? So you're going to go into click on here. This is the FDUSD. You will now like buy using what? Using USDT. Okay. You're going to go into click on buy using USDT, or you come to this place. No, or you still go back to this place to look for converts. All right. You're going to go into come back to this place to look on convert. That is, you're going to go into convert. You're going to go into convert from USDT to FDUSDT to FDUSD. Sorry. So you're going to go into look for convert, and you're going to go into convert it. Okay. You're going to go into convert it. All right. So in this place now, you're going to go into choose if you want to convert from if you want to convert from USDT to BNB, because you can stake BNB as well, as you saw there. You can convert from USDT to BNB. Put the volume here. Always click on max to pick up everything, and your equivalent will show here. And if you want to also convert from that FDUSD, you come to this place to search FDUSD. Click on it. Then what are you converting to? You're converting to, no, sorry. You're gonna go into choose USDT here and come down here to come to look for FDUSD, because you're converting the USDT to FDUSD. Okay. So as I said earlier, always click on max. If you click on max, everything will be here. Your equivalent will appear here. Then you click on preview. After the preview, you click on confirm, and everything will be converted to FDUSD. After converted to the FDUSDT, you can now go straight back to your launch pool and stake what you need to stake for profit. All right. So without taking much of your time, I would love to stop here today, and we'll have to meet in another class. But before I go, if you do have any question, do not forget, kindly drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Okay, so just try get a lot of thousands of coin for yourself for free. Though it's not really free because you're taking your money, you're making an investment, and in return, you're going to get a lot of hamster comeback. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.